On this episode of Flip to Riches,
I had a situation with a squatter. Damn! That is a huge no-no. We're gonna probably have them put a little bit of tam bark. Dave's hot chicken. Jesus Christ. Oh, shit. See, they left hella shit. More stuff for us to throw away. Hit that RSVP button, because you don't want to miss this.
on this episode, Flip to Riches.
You know I'm excited because we just picked up a great flip. We got a call from a realtor friend of mine named Crystal, Florida, right over at Compass. She had this one coming soon, but before it could hit the market, we came in, we made an offer, we swooped it up.
I feel pretty good about it. There wasn't too much. It smelled like wet dog and horrible, honestly, but I think it'll turn out looking pretty well.
We got it at a pretty good price, and we're gonna do good with it.
Get in there, Ray.
Yeah, Ray.
Now face, which way you want to face?
All right, Brandon, so how did you guys pick the contractor for this project?
Well, we went through our list and we picked the best contractor that we had. We called him and he wasn't available, so I guess we're gonna hire David.
I'm David, owner of Apex Builders, and I'm Brandon's uncle.
We're gonna keep it in the family. You know, David's our little firecracker, and when I mean little, I mean little. Yeah. And he's gonna do a great job, but he's honestly the best contractor there is. Trustworthy, loyal, gets the job fast, and with quality.
Okay guys, so this is the property we just bought. It's in Union City, California. All right, so yesterday we had a situation with a squatter and they had a gun.
Oh man, first day of closing escrow, we walked in and rock and roll, but first thing, we ran into a squatter.
Pain in the dick.
We were in the house for at least 20 minutes. We didn't even notice that there was a guy sleeping in the bedroom.
I wasn't there for the squatter situation. I was a bit concerned.
Well, I called the police, and the whole Union City Police Department came and surrounded the whole neighborhood.
What were you doing, Brandon?
In the office somewhere.
Could still be in there. When there's a squatter situation, you never want to be alone. Number two, you better be packing. And number three, you better put your grown man voice on, real deep. Let's go. Hey, motherfucker! If you're in my house, you got 3 seconds to get the out!
Anybody home?
Union City Police.
You go 12 o'clock. Ray, go that way. You and I, we sit here. You see, I would have went in because I got the biggest muscles, but I had to protect PJ because him and I, kind of the star of the show.
Clear. Here's all the shit.
Damn. Damn, look at this.
Now we got
Look at this. See, they left hella more stuff for us to throw away.
PG, there might be some good stuff in that backpack.
Not too bad with the squatter situation. There has been stories of squatters coming in, destroying the property, racking up thousands and thousands of dollars in damages. Our particular case, we're lucky to have gotten them out. No damages, no extra costs, big win. Hey, here's our carbon.
Hey.
We need this. This saves us 50 bucks right here. Don't let them throw it away. Yeah, as your guest. Someone do it outside the house? Kind of stinky in here. You know I'm committed to bringing you guys the real deal and the best show ever because I did not want to be inside that property. It smelled terrible. You notice this dirty pink carpet. That's the first that's gonna have to go. The tile in the front, we're also gonna remove that and we're gonna go with a luxury vinyl plank throughout the whole freaking house. Here, as you can see, there's popcorn ceiling. That is a huge no-no. Everything we're gonna do, we're gonna go white walls, new LVP floors.
It had like pink carpet everywhere, stains all over the place. The kitchen was like, ugh, disgusting. And I don't know if anything worked on that property.
We're gonna be putting recessed lighting throughout the whole house because a bright house is a luxurious house. Now, we just pulled permits. We're not gonna be changing anything with the kitchen. We're actually just gonna be leaving everything as is and just swapping it out with new cabinets, new appliances. Come on this way, PJ. Now, this brick looks pretty cool, but it will look a lot cooler once you paint them black, and that's what we're gonna do. Guys, when flipping a home, the number one thing you have to do is be very conscious about the budget. Look, we could have easily demoed the brick. We could have put in a nice electric one, you know, this wide, where the fake flames go like this. But that's $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 extra that we didn't have to spend. So the smartest thing to do is being able to look at a project like this and say, look, we're gonna buy a gallon of paint, $50, $100, have the painters paint it black, really saves us a couple thousand that we could just put back into our pocket as profit. All right, the yard guys, we're not gonna have to do a whole lot. We're gonna get our landscaper here to chop all this off. We're gonna probably have them put a little bit of tan bark in these two areas right here, and we're gonna have the staging do the rest. You know how we do it in every single one of our houses. White walls, black trims, and guess it, yellow door. You got it. We think it might be too yellow. What do you think, Brandon?
Nah, I like yellow.
Yellow doors. Let's go
Yellow
back inside.
doors.
Come on. Okay. Bathrooms. New vanity, new tiles, new tub, and tile surround. It's gonna change the whole thing. Closets. Obviously, we're gonna patch up all the holes, and then with the new doors, new doorknobs. Bathroom over here, leaving everything as is, and just gonna be swapping out all the tiles and really sprucing up the spot. I haven't been back to Union City other than to visit my mom, and this is Union Landing. For all my Union City people, you know that this was the place to be in high school. You got the movie theater, you got Starbucks, Jamba Juice was here. History lesson, guys. Born and raised in Oakland, but I finished my high school career at James Logan, right here in Union City, home of the Colts, baby. But now they got Dave's Hot Chicken. It's PJ's favorite chicken spot. So that's where we're gonna go have lunch, because I want it In-N-Out. But PJ's like, no, give me Dave, give me Dave. I said, okay, PJ, you get Dave's today. Dave's Hot Chicken, the hottest chicken in America. Woo! French fries?
Yeah, they come with fries.
Oh, they all come with fries? Oh. The rich stay rich because they let other people pay. Whoa, God. Dave's Hot Chicken, hottest chicken in America. Juicy, it's got like a sweetness to it. How many calories is this? Dave's Hot Chicken. Damn, Brandon, take smaller bites. Jesus Christ. Be a good partner, wipe his mouth. Get ready eating too. All right, guys, contractor took the keys. We gotta get in this property. Window's already broken, so now we're just gonna break the rest. Okay, now we gotta go ninja on this thing. Can you fit in this? You think I can fit in this? No, I'm trying to think. Will I fit? Oh, do my feet touch the ground? Oh, it does. Oh yeah, Ray. What the hell, Ray? Where's the lock? Where am I, Ray? Anybody home? Yo, come on in. Welcome to 325335 Banana Street, Sheila Way. Honestly, we buy so many properties, I don't really remember them. So even on the way over here, I had to tell Ray, like, what's the address? Okay, guys, here's the update. As you guys have already seen, a couple days have passed. Honestly, they did the demo in one day. So we got rid of the pink carpet.
All right, so quality, 10 out of 10. We worked with David before. I know it's gonna be good stuff. Speed, 10 out of 10. We're on a 6-week timeline and it's gonna get done. Working with David, I don't have an honest review because he just left to Korea and Japan.
I don't know what he's talking about. I had this trip booked, but I had everything under control.
Did you know that Brandon actually left to Korea too during this trip?
Yeah, what is that all about? He cares about where I'm going. He's going there too.
We did realize that there were some damage to the subfloor because of water. So the right thing to do, get that all fixed. Gutted everything, as you can see.
Oh, so you guys actually decided to take down the kitchen?
No, that was always planned. We're not gonna be changing anything with the kitchen.
Really?
Always the plan, bro. I said in the video. We're actually just gonna be leaving everything as is. That's some fancy editing, PJ, but what I meant was we're just gonna swap out everything in the kitchen but leave the layout. I didn't mean to actually leave all the old cabinets and stuff. But we stripped the kitchen, so we're ready to replace that subfloor as well. And we're gonna be putting brand new shaker cabinets and I think a backsplash. We're gonna go with a green theme for this one. You got this flooring right here. And as we speak, the contractors are already en route to pick up the flooring. We're gonna go with luxury vinyl planks, light that mimic the oak color. We just got the call yesterday night as well that all the windows are available and ready for pickup. So the crew is actually gonna go pick up those windows as well. So the next time we come back here, guys, you're about to see brand new sliding doors, brand new windows. This is gonna be a really nicely done home with new windows, new flooring, new paint, new kitchen, and new bathrooms. But let's go check out the rest, come on. We are replacing every single door in this thing. So that's why we already took off the frame. New closet doors here, new recessed lighting throughout the whole house. Because as you can see, it's not bad right now, but when we put the new recessed lighting in with the soft white, ooh, it's gonna pop and it's gonna feel like natural light's coming in. Yeah. Guys, I don't know why they didn't take out the yellow carpet yet, but this yellow carpet still looks pretty new. That's it, guys. We anticipate this project to go for about another 3 weeks. 2 more, I'm gonna be your camera guy. No, did you already post it? Post it, but just save it for another day, yeah? Welcome back to this beautiful project, and you can tell by my excitement that everything is going according to plan. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome home, guys. Welcome home. All right, guys, welcome inside. And as you can see, the walls have been painted. This is actually called Bohemian White. It's not the typical Swiss coffee we go with. I don't know why we switched it, but that's okay. It looks just like Swiss coffee. Inside, you can see the recessed lighting is all in, and it is absolutely amazing. These are actually gonna be the door handles for the front door. We went with black. Everything's black. Black, white, you know, that tends to work. So the last time we were here, guys, there was a fat hole right here. Well, we cut out the dry rot, replaced all the wood, put the new flooring down, and it looks amazing. Look. Sturdy. Cool. Let's take you over to the kitchen. As of right now, guys, the kitchen cabinets are here, but they're not gonna be installed until next week. Why? Because they're currently working on the bathrooms right now. These are the tiles that we went with for the bathroom. Not much to really note here, other than the fact that we got the brand new sliding door in place. Absolutely beautiful. The fireplace is the last thing they gotta do to complete this room. And like I told you guys in the last video, that is gonna be painted black. This is our beautiful friend right here. Can you imagine? This is gonna be the finished product. Nice creamish walls, beautiful white baseboards, and this natural oak looking color.
Hey, Brian, I got you this loquat.
Oh,
Backyard.
snap.
Try it.
Did you wash it?
Yeah.
I know he didn't wash it, but that's okay, because God made dirt and dirt don't hurt. All right?
Yeah, I rinsed it. I mean, what else am I supposed to do with it?
Oh, damn.
Spoils of our investment.
Dude, this is juicy. Man, DeBar's gonna get real lucky. What am I doing, guys? Another coffee. Vietnamese iced coffee. Why? Because high energy is the only kind of energy I like. Let's go. You guys know I'm a caffeine junkie and I like that power, that energy. So Monster, do me a favor, get me a sponsorship. All right, you guys wanna see Brandon's new car? All right, you guys ready to see Brandon's brand new car? Unless we hit that $1 million goal, that's the car he gets. Nothing against smart cars. Smart cars are actually pretty cool. I've actually owned 2 of them, and they're very practical when you're driving around looking for parking in the city. Hey, this is my car. Oh yeah, plenty ones. My car. JK, it's not his car. He's got something nicer than that. Get one. Get one.
Ray, when are you getting a new car, Ray?
Yeah, maybe in next million. You can think about a Lambo next.
Brian, do you think the money is changing?
Absolutely. turning him into a monster, a beast.
I think he's all right. He's getting a little more aggressive, but he needed that.
The money is definitely making changes for me, but in a good way, right? Like, I'm not saying, you know, F you to all my old friends or anything, and I still know where I came from. So it's making me rethink things, changing my mindset on how I approach, you know, investments, and I think that's a, you know, change for the good.
New car today. How many hats do you think we could take? Right off the showroom floor.
What's the celebration for?
Because we're flipping to riches. You flip and then you get rich.
Sick.
Hey, you like Brandon's new car?
I gotta move all this stuff over to
Be Brandon, ask Brandon, is he happy?
Brandon, are you happy?
I'm happy.
Are you happy with your car purchase?
So happy, PJ. So happy. Did the old S-Class for a new S-Class. So we're gonna be driving this one for about a year and then see what we get next.
Hey, white doesn't look too bad, huh?
Yeah, it'd be nice in the sun and sparkly.
Yeah, it's pretty cute.
Welcome back to Project Union City. This is the 3rd episode, and today, guys, you are about to see the biggest transformation ever.
I feel like we did a great job. The market definitely helped us in the matter. And yeah, I think the end result was great. It looked great, and we got the price we wanted.
I feel like we did pretty good. I mean, the property speaks for itself. We had over 300 people come to our open houses, 14 offers, so many of them all cash, so many of them breaking neighborhood records. So I would say we did pretty good.
Okay, guys, so Union City officially closed, and I'm happy as can be. Why? We were on track with our timing. We made the money that we set out to make. Unfortunately, guys, with Pittsburgh and Skyline in the books, that's $100,000. With Union City, it puts us at $300,000. And with the goal of $1 million, we gotta work harder to get that $700,000 that we need. But don't you worry, guys, because I got a juicy one, and it stinks, it's extra dirty, and it's got a lot of garbage. This next one is gonna be some big money.